Hello.
Hi there. Why don't you introduce yourself to us? Tell us your name and where you're from.
My name is Chien, and I'm from Taipei.
So, what are you going to do for us today? I don't see any props there.
I'll be doing some magic for you guys today.
Oh.
Yeah.
Okay, some magic. So why have you come to this stage on Asia's Got Talent?
So for the past 3 years, I've been a magic consultant. That means I'm always behind the curtains. So this is the first year I'm stepping forward. I'm trying to be the performer now.
Take it away. The stage is yours.
Can I join, guys? Because I do close-up magic. I want to
come
be
on.
close-up with you guys. Perfect. Can you hold out your hand? You guys can come closer. Come closer. Hold it flat. Watch. Here, don't move.
Hey.
Wow. It's ink, right? But if you look over here, this is for you guys.
Wow.
Wow. Thank you.
What happened?
I think you made the right choice by maybe coming out front. Your sleight of hand is really beautiful and poetic. Nice job, man.
Thank you so much.
And good.
That was impressive.
Thank you so much.
Jay?
Can I ask you, what was the reason that you were behind the scenes and haven't been the front man thus far?
There's this thing called FISM, basically the Olympics for magic, and it happens every 3 years in different countries. I attended, and I was very fortunate to win close-up. I guess that gave me the courage to be a performer now.
Wow.
Let's vote, shall we?
Yeah.
All right, and good?
It's a yes.
Thank you.
It's a yes for me.
Thank you.
And a third yes.
Thank you so much.
Oh my goodness, you blew everyone away.
It's
I wonder how that
fast.
happened while we
I
were
know.
there.
Yeah.
There's someone under the table.
Good work, Eric. Honestly, I was blown away.
Congrats. Come out!
Chien! Oh my God, I'm so confused right now. I don't know anything. Okay, look, David, I know how much you love sleight of hand magic. Talk to us right now. What are you thinking?
Eric, how do you feel?
It feels really great because I've been preparing this act for years, and
Wow.
it feels amazing to be able to share it with everyone here, really. So,
I've seen a lot of magicians, and I put you right with all the greatest that I've ever seen. That was amazing.
thank you so much.
Amazing.
Thank you so much.
I want to take you home with me and have you at every party that I go to. Like I say, look what I brought back from Asia.
Jay, you still look dumbfounded. What are you thinking right now, buddy?
I mean, right now after watching that, I'm convinced you're a real life wizard. That was definitely world class. I mean, I think you could probably win the whole competition, bro.
Thank you so much. That means a lot to me. Thank you.
Okay, Angun, glowing support from both the guys. What are you thinking?
I mean, you know, things were changing, disappearing in front of our very eyes. I think, Eric, you are magic.
Thank you so much.
Eric, you just got some incredibly high praise from all three judges. How are you feeling right now?
My heart is is still pounding right now because, you know, I still can't believe that I'm on this stage and performing for everyone here and showing Asia or the whole world what I got. And I'm really grateful to be here. Thank you so much. Thank you. I want to thank everyone for letting me be on this stage one last time to share my magic with everyone here. So thank you. Now, I would like to invite Mr. David Foster to come up and join me on stage. So please, everyone, welcome Mr. David.
Hey, Eric.
Hello.
Congratulations.
Thank you so much. Here, have a seat.
You know, coming in second is not going to be bad either.
Yeah. It's great. Everyone here is a winner. Now, I know you're very familiar with the deck of cards. So please, be the eyes for everyone here. Just examine the cards. Make sure there's nothing wrong with them. Every single card is in fact
You
different.
got jokers, you got jacks, you got, yeah.
Nope, perfect.
Yeah.
Now, I want you to pick any card you like.
Okay.
And when you do, just show it to the audience here and show it to everyone at home.
Take it?
Yes. Perfect. And show it to everyone here. I won't look. Got it?
Yeah.
Perfect. Before you give me the cards back, I'm actually going to shuffle the cards. But I'm going to shuffle it face up and face down.
Wow.
So if I push these two piles in, you can see the cards are indeed.
They're all messed up.
Not only is the order mixed up, but all the faces are also mixed up.
Yeah.
When I riffle down the deck, please say stop anytime you like.
Okay. Stop.
Please place it back in. Perfect. One more time, I'll shuffle one more time. So everyone can see it is still mixed up. Now you said you have a camera phone on you?
I do.
Can you take it out and open the camera app?
Okay.
I'm gonna take a photo of you and everyone here. So please, you guys can just wave your arms.
You're going to take the
Yes,
photo?
I'm gonna take a photo
Okay.
of you guys.
You want to borrow my phone?
Yes, please.
Okay. Go ahead.
Here, hold out your card. Hold out your
Don't
hand.
look at anything else.
Okay, I won't.
Okay.
Hold out your right hand, just like this. Oh, you can place the camera down. Hold your right hand like this. Perfect. You're gonna hold on to the cards for me. Like this. You're gonna hold on to these cards. Yes, move your thumb a little forward. Yeah, perfect. Now, everyone, get ready. 3, 2, 1. Perfect. Now you can see the cards are still mixed up.
They sure are.
Now, can you just go ahead and name your card out loud?
6 of diamonds.
6 of diamonds. Was it the 6 of diamonds? Perfect. I want you to imagine every single card slowly turning themselves back face down. Except for your card, 6 of diamonds, turning face up.
Wow.
If that happens, that would mean if I spread the cards, every card would now be face down except for your 6 of diamonds.
Yeah.
Watch, without touching the deck. Done.
I just undid it.
You just undid it, yeah.
Okay.
Okay. I want you to take the deck and spread it out as wide as possible. Oh. Do you see your card?
I don't.
Oh, yeah, 6. Oh, wait.
Oh, there it is.
But remember, I took a photo just now of everyone
Yeah, but you took
here
a photo of just the deck, of me holding the deck.
with this deck, right? Can you show everyone the photo?
I'm.
Just open up the photo.
Open up the photo. Should be right there.
Yeah. And you will see every single card. Show the camera. You can see every single card is now face down except for one card. The 6.
The 6 of diamonds. Oh my. Look at this. Wow.
Thank you.
That is incredible.
And that is a memory for you to keep forever. Thank you
Eric,
so much.
You are really an inspiration, man. Congratulations.
Thank you.
man.
Thank you so much.
Wow. Eric Chien. I want to know how to do that.
Eric
Oh my God, wait,
Chien.
let me see the photo.
Look at this.
Sorcery.
Wow. Come on over here,
That's
buddy.
sorcery.
You are a true wizard. Right here. Where's Alan? There
we're
he
shuffling,
is.
we're shuffling
okay,
us.
There we
We're
go.
good, we're good, we're good.
All
Eric,
right.
you continue to astound us, man. That's insane.
I know. Eric, gotta tell us though, did you ever think that you would be here right now in the top 2?
It's a dream come true. So I really want to thank everyone for the support. Thank you, everyone. Now, judges, may I join your table?
Yes.
Sure, come on.
Awesome. Now, I've been doing magic for 10 years now, and I've only been doing it professionally for the past 3 years. And it's all thanks to these coins right here. As you guys can see over here, I have a silver coin and a copper coin. Jay Park, can I borrow your hand?
Yes, you may.
Hold it flat, face down, perfect. You're gonna hold on to one of the coins for me. Okay. Just make a fist, perfect, hold it tight. Now watch, oh, I have the copper one. Watch very closely. See, I now have the silver coin. Turn your hand over, and you have the copper coin. Thank you, Jay Park. I've been creating magic for the past 10 years. And do you guys know what the most important thing to creating magic is? It's actually your imagination. So tonight, I want to bring everyone to see my imagination. Now today, I actually need someone's help. Any volunteers? How about Alan? Get over here, Alan.
Hello,
Have
Eric.
a seat. Hello.
I will. How are you, man?
Give him a round of applause. I'm good. Now, do you like chocolate?
I love chocolate.
Perfect. You're gonna love this then. Okay. Are you ready?
Yes.
Perfect. Let's go. Try some?
Okay, I can eat it?
Yeah, of course.
It's real chocolate.
Here, Alan, can you mix up the cube for me?
Yeah, okay.
Perfect. Now I want you to place both of your hands out like this. I want you to hold onto my hand and cover the cube like this, okay?
Okay.
Perfect, just cover the cube. Watch.
No.
You see all 6 sides completely solved. Not only that though, remember the cube you mixed up
Yeah.
in your hands the whole time. Lift up your hand and show everyone your cube is completely solved on all 6 sides. Alan, can I borrow your hand one more time?
Yeah.
I want you to watch the cubes. Watch the cubes very, very carefully, because I can actually turn them back into chocolate. You see, this is real chocolate. Not only that though, watch carefully. Thank you so much, Alan.
Oh my God.
Welcome to my imagination.
Eric Chien. Speechless.
I'm stunned.
Come on up here.
It's still raining confetti.
Wow. Wow. Jay. I have no words.
I'm awestruck.
Yeah.
Yeah, I feel like you could turn me into M&Ms. I really do. If you wanted to, wow, that was amazing. I've never seen anybody use chocolate as a, as a trick, like a magic before. It's amazing, bro. That was amazing.
Thank
That
you
was amazing.
so much.
Angun, I'm still tripping out. I need you to say something now.
I'm sure you are. You know, Eric, with my golden buzzer, you're actually the other performer that I was really, really looking forward to watch perform. And tonight, it's just that because I don't know what you're going to do next. Every time, every single second, as you said, if I blinked, I will miss it. And so I tried so hard not to blink. Again, I said it once, I said it again, you didn't do magic trick. For me, you are magic.
Thank you so much.
David, as a magic enthusiast, your thoughts.
As a hack amateur magician, I mean, obviously I loved it. And you know what? All over the planet right now, everywhere in the world, magic is on everybody's minds. If you notice, in every continent, magic is becoming this big thing in 2019. And we have it right here in Asia. And we have Asia's best. And I'm telling you, you, Eric, could potentially, and voters at home, pay close attention, you potentially could win this entire contest.
Thank you so much. That means so much to me. Thank you.
All right. Eric, I have a question. Tell us how you did it. No, I'm just kidding. Watching you, man, my mind lost touch with reality. I want to know, what does it feel like to be able to do that to someone?
Everything I create, I want people to have that sense of wonder again. Because as we grow older, we kind of lost touch of, the magic kind of. So people stop believing in magic. And I hope my performance can bring that wonder back into your life.
What's good, y'all? Time to subscribe. Let's get it.